Hi, I'm Scott Klemmer, an associate professor of cognitive and computer science at UC San Diego, where I co-direct the new design lab. I'm here today to invite you to join me for this new specialization with Coursera on interaction design. We've put together a bunch of new content that we're really excited about. In this specialization, you'll learn how to design, implement, and evaluate user interfaces, and how to rapidly iterate and revise your designs. You'll learn fundamental principles for how to design user interfaces effectively, how to translate those fundamentals into practice to make your designs better, and how to evaluate what you come up with real users so that you can understand that it meets an actual human need. The place to start with this specialization is the Intro to Interaction Design class. From there, you'll have an opportunity to dive deeper into a number of different topics. So these include social computing, interaction techniques, and evaluation. Once you've completed the advanced material here, you can take everything that you've learned in all of the courses and apply all of that stuff together in a capstone experience that we're putting together in a collaboration with Instagram. Here, you get to do an open-ended project where you get to show the world and yourself what you can do with all of these design materials. This is a great opportunity to put together a portfolio piece or something that you can use to impress your family and friends or get a job in the design field. In this specialization, like with any learning experience, you get out of it what you put into it. I've already heard from a number of you who are excited about doing the full specialization with all the materials in the capstone. Others of you might watch a few select videos because you already know this stuff or are just looking for a particular piece of material, and that's great too. You should use these learning materials in whatever way is most valuable for you, and think about what your learning goals are, what you hope to get out of it when you go into the class. Those of you who do complete all the materials will have the opportunity to earn a verified interaction design certificate. This specialization builds on materials that we've done with Coursera for several years now, and I've been amazed by what students have done in our class already. Here's an example of some early prototyping that students have done. This is a great way to express your creativity. Here's an example of how that stuff evolves over time. So already, all around the world, thousands of students have created interactive web applications that express their design ideas and fill a human-centered need. Even beyond that, students around the world have shared learning materials with each other, like these sketch notes that one student did. Some projects even go on to have a Kickstarter or launch in other ways, and that's been awesome to see. And so you can look at some of these previous student projects if you're looking for design inspiration. You can also use this as a chance to meet up in person, as students around the world have already done. So really, the world is your oyster. I'm looking forward to seeing all of the great ideas that you come up with and the contributions that you make, and I'm looking forward to your joining me with this new specialization. Welcome.